How to fix keyboard typing multiple letters at once in Windows 10 or Windows 11. So in order to fix this issue, let's first go to Windows and type keyboard and open the keyboard. The keyboard properties is already opened, and make sure you change the repeat delay option here and also change the repeat rate, and after that click on apply and click on OK. But if this is not solving a problem, go to device manager, go to keyboards, and make sure to update the keyboard driver. First they search automatically for the drivers, and if it is already updated and you're facing the same problem time and again, simply click on uninstall the device and reinstall again. But if none of the solutions are working, there might be physical damage to a keyboard and you might be having problem with your wires in the keyboard or the keys. So make sure to get your keyboard to the customer care or the repair shop and have your keyboard repaired. And if you find this tutorial helpful, to subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment.